to add police in Waze. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Waze on your device. After you open Waze, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, on the bottom right, you'll find a triangle with a plus sign. Click on it. Then, you'll find what do you see? Click on police. It makes them easier for them to notice. After you press on police, press on report police or other side mobile camera or hidden. Press on report if you want. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to add police in Waze. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.